This has just arrived. I have a feeling I know what this is, and I'm really excited about this. Let's go for it. Let's unbox. It's kind of wrapped in orange tape. A lot of orange tape. Oh, very cool. I hope you can see that. SVBony SV405CC. It's the cooled color camera. Okay, there we go. So it comes in a cardboard box. SVBony keyring. Brilliant. Wow. Okay, we have two boxes. I'm assuming that's the camera. And this. Okay, this is the power supply. It's not a bad cable. It is properly fused. I've even had cables without a fuse in the plug. But that's good. So this is a 12 volt 5 amp power supply. Here we go. You guys are going to see this before me. Oh wow. Okay. We have a USB 3 lead. We have an adapter, another adapter, another adapter. Okay, so that's to convert from a 2-inch to a 1¼ inch fitting. We have what looks to be a cleaning cloth, and then another threaded adapter, and we have the manual. Pretty good. Oh, hang on, no, there's more. There's more. Aha! To get the bag spacing, it looks like these are shims. This is the camera. It's in a really nice SVBony bag. Here we go. First impressions are, it's really nice. It's got a good weight to it. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but that's okay. USB 3 socket, your power socket, and a cooling fan. Then on the sides you have some air vents for the cooling system. And the bag itself is very well padded. It's got probably 1 centimeter of padding all the way around. And let's have a look. There's the sensor. So just to look at the instructions to check that everything that we've got here is what they're suggesting you should have. So we have a USB 3 lead, 2 adapters and the 1/4 inch adapter. We have a thread adapter, an additional thread adapter, a manual, the bag and the camera. And of course the power supply as well. There we go. The SVBony 405 cooled color camera. This is what you get when you open the box.